Okay. Good evening. My voice is audible.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening. Yesterday, what we done? I think yesterday we done few problems based on the absolute maximum and absolute minima. It's correct. Huh. Right now, the next question is right. I think just please anyone tell me now. What is the second order derivative? The second order derivative.
Sir, if f dash x is 0
Uh,
and f dash x is uh, z-
hmm.
less than 0, then f of x is
F dash of x is equal to 0. I mean, c equal to 0. Okay. And
You can't see the
f
screen,
double
sir.
f
dash of
double
x
dash of c.
c less than 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Then what you get
Then it
now?
is
It will be maximum.
maximum.
Then it will be maximum. Oh, it's not so visible. Okay, I write it down here. Next, in the same way, suppose you can take here now f dash of x c equal to 0, comma, then f double dash of c greater than 0. Then what we are getting? We are getting minimum value. It's correct now? Yes. So based on that, now we'll start the questions. You can write. Hello? Yes, yes, sir. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, Tell me, sir. English, just speak in English, sir. Where I? Yes, yes. Already I saved the number, sir. Uh, hmm. uh, okay. That record. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Oh, that means the yes, yes. Okay, that mapping is they done some mistake. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, yes. Definitely. That is the information management. They change that. Okay. The recording videos, then it will be available within the week, sir. Within the week. Already they are doing the work on that only. Okay, already that 2 days before that the conference happened, in the conference just told very clearly. Every week, whatever classes it happened, the recorded videos will be uploaded within the week. That means not same day. It's not same day. Maybe after 2 to 3 days, you will get. You'll see, sir. It is definitely this week. In this week, we will get the video. Okay, this week. Then another just then what we'll do means already we are sending the assignments in WhatsApp. Once you can check it. Even in Guru also is there and WhatsApp also is there. Okay, once you can go through that. In the WhatsApp also today, I think some assignments I said. I think Olympiad only, na? Yes, Olympiad I didn't send, sir. I will send, sir. Later I will send the assignments. Okay. So now I have some small work is there. Then later just I will send them. Already I have today's assignments are there. I will send in 7th Olympiad. Okay. Yeah, yes, yes. Tell me, sir. That e-tech, no, sir. That e-tech, you can left that group. It's okay. Leave that e-tech. No, sir. That is the Olympiad KSE. It is our branch. Okay, that is how actually the schedules they are sending in through the care from, is correct? That one you can follow, sir. That means for timetable you can follow that. From our school, from our side, anything, any message or that means I will send you information like that. That's why we created the separate group. Okay. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Right now, find the maximum profit. Right, this by using that second derivative we have to find clearly. Write it. Find the maximum profit. Find the maximum profit that find the maximum profit that a company can make. A company can make can make can make if the profit function is given by if the profit function is given by the profit function is given by right p of x equal to p of x equal to 41 minus 41 minus 72x 72x minus 18x square. The function is p of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. This is the profit. Okay. Here what we have to find in this question, find the maximum profit means we have to find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by p of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. That means here now we have to find the the profit either we are getting past means maximum or minimum means compulsory we have to find the second order derivative we have to do the second order derivative. Then what we do first you can differentiate the function with respect to x. So p dash of x equal to clearly what you get, this will be 0 only, and this is the minus 72 minus 36x we are getting. It's correct. So based on that, if taken now p dash of p okay, x equal to from these two terms, suppose if you take here minus 36 common, you can take. Then what about remaining this value? 2 plus x is the remaining. Same procedure. For critical points, then we have to find that one clearly p dash of x equal to 0 we will take. Then we get the value of x you can write now. So for critical points, points, clearly can write p dash of x equal to 0. Therefore, minus 36 into 2 plus x equal to 0. So 2 plus x equal to 0, then the value of x equal to minus 2. And the value of x equal to minus 2. But here we have to find the maximum profit. But this is only profit it is. But for this profit, we have to find the maximum. We have to find the maximum. That purpose, then what will do means, first you can differentiate this function. Again, you can differentiate this function it is. Then what will happen that p double dash of x equal to p double dash of x. Anyhow, this is a 0 only constant value. So what about this value now? Minus 36. That means this is the positive or negative. Already we have taken the condition when p dash of c equal to 0 and p double dash of c is negative. Then what we are getting? Please respond. When p dash of x equal to 0 and p double dash of x less than 0, that means a negative value.
Maximum
We will get clear now. Maximum. That only they're asking here now. That only we have to find the maximum profit. Yet, what is the point at this point? Understood now? But suppose they're asking maximum here, but here we got the positive. That is not possible. All of you should remember that one. This is the equal to 0 we are taking, but this is the positive value. That means clearly we are not getting maximum profit. We'll get the minimum profit at this x equal to -2. But clearly we got this is the p double dash of x equal to -36 we got now. So clearly what you're saying that one. So therefore p double dash of x is less than 0. Is less than 0. Then you can write clearly that. Okay. Right now. Then write the statement. First up to here copy this. P double dash of x less than 0 clearly we got on. This is the negative here. The right is the statement you can write. So therefore at x equal to -2, therefore at x equal to -2, at x equal to -2 comma p double dash of -2 equal to -36 is less than 0. Is less than 0. So therefore p of x is maximum at x equal to -2. Therefore p of x is maximum at x equal to -2, maximum at x equal to -2 comma to get maximum value comma to get maximum value x equal to -2 put in p of x, then x equal to -2 you can substitute in there now, then you will get the maximum value. So therefore p of -2 equal to the thing of 42 minus 72 into -2 minus 18 into -2 whole square. So 42 plus the product of these two values is equal to 144 minus 4 18s are 40 72. So clearly 144 minus 30 is equal to 114 rupees. This is the 114 or 113 na? Is correct or not? Minus 2 whole square equal to 4. 4 18s are 40 plus 32 80 72. It's correct. The 42 or 41 they given problem itself. 41. Okay, that is the reason.
113.
41 it is a 113. That's all. This is the maximum profit of that. So therefore p of -2 equal to 113. Any problem is given, so compulsory we have to do the like this one. Very easy, simple thing. First you can differentiate. Based on the first order derivative, we will get no critical points. Next you can find the second order derivative you can find. Observe that it is the positive or negative. If it is the positive, we will get minimum value. If it is the negative, we will get maximum value. But what is the maximum here now? That maximum at whatever we got to get at this critical point, we will get maximum. Suppose the second order derivative is the positive value. At this point, that is minimum. But how to get the minimum value means that the value of x you can substituting in the when you are substituting in the given function, we got some value. That is, if it is maximum, you get maximum. If it is negative, you'll get now minimum. Okay, clear that? The same you can write now. Right, this is the more important to you. Next one. It's more important. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 24. Whose sum is 24 and whose product is whose product is as large as positive. As large as positive. Large as positive. Large as positive. The more important, they're asking so many times in examination for 3 marks. Okay, they're asking so many times in examination. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as positive. As large as positive. You know, what is the meaning as large as positive here now? Now we have to find the maximum value. So if you got the maximum value means then we have to find that what are the numbers we are getting. That one we have to find. Okay. There are simple question only. Already I think if they given applications, you know very well that. Then how to form the sentences, I think you know very well. Just you can write it. They given the two numbers, the sum of the two numbers equal 24 is given. So, but the two numbers we don't know. Suppose we taking here now, let a number equal to x. Then what about other number? Please tell me. Let a number equal to x. Other number equal to? A number equal to x. Then other number equal to? X minus 24, 24 minus x.
24 minus.
25 minus
24 minus x. I give 24 only, na? 24. The same you can write now. Let the two numbers be let the two numbers be one is x and one more thing is 24 minus x. 24 minus x. Then how do you get it means I think since you know very well that one if taken the let number one number equal to x means and second number equal to that means suppose if taken x plus y equal to 24 means that implies the value of x equal to 24 minus x is the reason we are taking. And second condition is given. And whose product is how much? As large as positive. That means then we have to find the maximum product of the two numbers we have to find. That means clearly you can write now. So therefore, right, by data, what is given here now? The product of two numbers. Okay, the product of two numbers as large as possibilities. The product is as large as possible. Large as possible. The two numbers you can multiply directly. That will be positive value clearly. They're telling that one. That is the required function. Okay. Possible. So therefore, product equal to what you're taking here now. Product equal to x into 24 minus x. This is the function here. So multiply two values now 24x minus x square. 24x minus x square. Now we can differentiate now. This is the function you can take. This they can take here now. Function of the f of x you can take. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So therefore, f dash of x equal to this is the 24 minus 2x. 24 minus 2x. Again you can differentiate now. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f double dash of x equal to Anyhow 0, it is the minus 2 we got now. But it's the minus 2 means we got the maximum, we get the minimum. We'll get maximum minimum here. We'll get maximum minimum. Clearly we got here now maximum. Here you can write
Maximum.
for, yes, for critical points. For critical points, here you can take f dash of x equal to 0. 0. That means 24 minus 2x equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 24. The value of x equal to 12. The value of x equal to 12. Then you can get the, clearly we got the maximum. Then you can write, so therefore at x equal to 12, x equal to 12 comma, the f double dash of 12 is equal to minus 2 is less than 0. Is less than 0. Then I can find that one maximum value. You can write it. So therefore, it means that is the condition you can write now. That is f is maximum at x equal to 12. The numbers are 12. The numbers are, what are the numbers we got now? Already x equal to 12 we got. Another number should be 24 minus 12 equal to 12. The other two numbers. Already we proved here now. Means clearly we got now maximum we are getting. Then we got the maximum, then we have to find the two numbers we have to find. Anyhow, we got now one number is equal to 12. So other number must be equal to 12 only. Okay. The two numbers are 12 and 12. Okay. The last point he wrote that is f is maximum at x equal to 12. The numbers are x and 24 minus x, means so 12 and 12 are the two numbers. Same then how to done the previous equation solving, same like that only. One here you can write. So that is f is maximum at x equal to 12. So therefore the two numbers are 1 is x and 24 minus x. 24 minus x. So 12 and 12 24 minus 12 equal to 12. The two numbers are 12 and 12. That's all answer. The two numbers are 12 and 12. The same next one. Find two numbers whose sum is 15. Find two numbers whose sum is 15. Whose sum is 15 and sum of whose squares is minimum. Sum of whose squares is minimum. Same model. Here also we have to find the two numbers we have to find. Find two numbers whose sum is 15 and sum of whose squares is minimum value. But clearly we have we have to show that. First we have to show that it should be the sum of the two numbers must be minimum it is. Then you can find the numbers you can find. So here also say take same thing only. So let the two numbers are 1 is x comma 15 minus x. X and 15 minus x. Because we know very well that one, since x plus y equal to 15, that implies then y equal to 15 minus x. That is the reason we know very well that. And by data is given. By data, what they given condition here, but previous they given product, but here now whose sum is the whose squares is sum of whose squares is sum of whose squares is sum of whose squares is maximum. Okay, minimum whose squares is minimum. Now you can take the function here. You know what is the function? Clearly f of x equal to, okay, let f of x equal to, you can write now. Let f of x equal to, the clearly you can write now, the sum of the squares of the two numbers. So first number is x square plus 15 minus x whole square. 15 minus x whole square. The two numbers here now. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f dash of x equal to, this is the 2x plus 2 into 15 minus x into minus 1 into minus 1. So 2x minus 2 into 15 minus x. This is the value of f dash of x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So therefore f double dash of x equal to, this is the value 2 minus, this will be 0, minus into minus plus we got now, and plus 2. Clearly 2 plus 2 equal to how much we got now? 4. So f double dash of x equal to, clearly we got 4 means we got the minimum or maximum. We'll get clearly
minimum, sir.
Minimum we are getting. Then I can write. So there was the same procedure again. Now I can find the critical points here. Now I can find the critical points. So for critical points, f dash of x equal to 0. That means clearly we got this value 2x minus of 2 into 15 minus x equal to 0. So 2x equal to, you can write now, 2 into 15 minus x. So 2 will be cancelled clearly, both sides. So you can simplify this value. This is x equal to 15 minus x. That implies 2x equal to 15. So the value of x equal to 15 by 2. The value of x equal to 15 by 2 here. 15 by 2. But this is anyhow we got positive. Clearly we got the minimum value. Then what you are saying that one? So therefore, at x equal to 15 by 2, x equal to 15 by 2, comma, then f double dash of 15 by 2 is 4. This is the greater than 0. Greater than 0 it is. Therefore, f is the maximum at x equal to 15 by 2. Therefore, x is maximum at x equal to, sorry, minimum only na. Therefore, x is the minimum at x equal to 15 by 2. So the two numbers are finite. The same procedure. So therefore, f is maximum at, okay, sorry, minimum at x equal to 15 by 2. So therefore, the two numbers are, one is x and one more thing is 15 minus x. So clearly one number is 15 by 2 and the second number is 15 minus 15 by 2. Clearly this also will get now 15 by 2 only we got. So therefore 15 by 2 comma 15 by 2 and 15 by 2 are two numbers. That means all of you should remember that one, the value of x whatever we are getting, other number also compulsory will get the same number. Other also will get compulsory same number we are getting. Understood this mode? Yes. Next. Oh, sorry. Here also same thing. Going to find the two numbers only. Not this one. Next, find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers. Positive numbers whose sum is 16. Whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Sum of whose cubes is minimum. Okay. This is also important question to you. All of you should remember that. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Like previous one, the same thing only here also. You can write it. Let the two numbers are two positive numbers are clearly one number is x and second number must be 16 minus x. Since if you want here you can mention that one. Since x plus y equal to 16, that implies the value of y equal to 16 minus x. That is the main reason. Now here you can write now. By data, the sum of whose cubes is minimum. Then you can write, let f of x equal to, we have to take cube here now. We have to take here cube. Okay. So here f of x equal to x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube. The sum of the whose cubes is minimum it is. Now differentiate with respect to x. So f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 3 into 16 minus x whole square into minus 1. So 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. This is the value of f dash of x, it is. Now if you want, you can differentiate again. Again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, f double dash of x equal to the second derivative of f of x is equal to 6x minus the 6 into 16 minus x into minus 1. So simplify this value now, 6x minus, and this is the minus into minus equal to plus, and plus into minus equal to, clearly we got now. How much? This is 96, sir. Or else suppose first directly can multiply this. Minus into minus equal to plus, we are getting 96, and plus into minus equal to minus 6x. Clearly this will be cancelled. It is equal to 96. Clearly we got positive value. So therefore, f double dash of x is equal to 96 is the positive. Then what are you saying that one? Clearly we got now minimum. So therefore, again you can for critical points you can find now. So for critical points, f dash of x equal to 0. For critical points, f dash of x equal to 0. So therefore, so 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square equal to 0. You can write now 3x square equal to 3 into 16 minus x whole square, and 3 will be cancelled. And here both sides, the powers are equal. The powers are equal means the basis must be equal. So clearly you can write now x equal to 16 minus x. 16 minus x. So 2x equal to 16. So the value of x equal to 8. So therefore you can write now at x equal to 8. At x equal to 8. What is this value now? F double dash of 8 is equal to 96. This is the positive here. So therefore f is maximum. Okay, f is minimum means you write not a, that is, therefore that is you can write. That is f is a minimum at x equal to 8 now. Minimum at x equal to 8. So therefore the two numbers are x and we know that one x and 16 minus x. That means one number equal to 8 and second number equal to 16 minus 8. So clearly you can write now 8, 8 are the two positive numbers. 8, 8 are two positive numbers. Okay, now you got the idea how to find it. Maybe they given some of the squares, some of the cubes, or some of the fourth power also, but everything will be same procedure, but no need to get any confusion also. Clear now? You got this concept? Ritesh? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhanush, I think after 1 week, it's correct. After 1 week he came like star. Harsh, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Dhanush,
Yes,
please
sir.
respond. Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Kavya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, next one now. The same model. But these are the different applications based on the second derivative test. But previous one, it is the local minimum, maximum, and absolute minimum and absolute maximum, and only maximum minimum. I think you know very well. Already you got very clearly that one. But if they given applications, then we have to solve like this by using second derivative test. Right, next one now. Find two numbers. Again, find two numbers. Okay. Find two numbers whose product is 100. It will be some little bit different now. whose product is 100, whose product is 100, and whose sum is minimum. This is the quite opposite now. Whose sum is minimum. Here that means here we have to prove that, okay, after taking the product, but we got the two different numbers we are getting. The sum of the two numbers is the minimum. Minimum means compulsory the value must be, we have to get positive. When we are taking the second derivative test, from the time clearly it should be positive we have to get. Tell me the numbers here now. Whose product is 100 means, that means x into y equal to 100. Then what we are getting? Let the numbers are x and 100 by x. It's correct? 100 by x, the two numbers. So between them here you get into, you can write now. So x into y equal to 100, x into y equal to 100. So therefore the value of y equal to, that implies 100. That is the value of y equal to 100 by x. 100 by x. So by data what is given? Whose sum is minimum? Whose sum is minimum? Whose sum is minimum? Now take the condition. Let f of x equal to, what is the sum here? Okay. What is the sum now? This is the x plus 100 by x, the sum now. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f dash of x equal to, f dash of x equal to, so differentiation of x equal to 1 plus, this is the 100 is the constant value, into minus 1 by x square. So differentiation 1 by x equal to. So this is clearly can write now, 1 minus 100 by x square is the f dash of x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f double dash of x is equal to, constant equal to 0 clearly, minus 100 is the constant value, 100 is constant value, and 1 by x square means, then what will get this value? X square into 0 into minus 1 by x power 4, minus 1 by x power 4. If you want, you can write the clear steps, you can write. No problem at all it is. If you want to write the clear steps. Because in examination, suppose you write the one step extra, it will be good always. So x square into, the differentiation of 100 equal to 0 minus 100 into, oh sorry, we are getting some different. X square means we got now 2x. 2x whole by x power 4. Any of this is the equal to 0 only. So then what about these values? Minus 100 into minus 200 x by x power 4. X and in this number 3 times. So minus into minus equal to plus, and clearly this value you can write now. That, oh, we got so much big one, by x cube. 20,000 by x cube. You got that much big one. 20,200 it is. 100 is there. 100 into differentiation of x equal to x square equal to x. It's the 200. But 100 is constant is there, na? Yes. We are taking the direct limits. Then how to where from where you'll get this number? It's not required. Very good. It's correct only. So one you can write now. Plus 200 by x cube you can write. Plus 200 by x cube. This is the value of f double dash of x it is. Okay. Solve now. Hello sir. చెప్పండి. అదేంటి అలాంటి పిల్లలు కూడా అడిగేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఏదో డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చింది సార్ ఎన్ ర్యాంక్ ఎంప్లో అని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు. ఓ ఆల్రెడీ ముందు షెడ్యూల్ చేసావు కాబట్టి. అది డిలీట్ చేయలే వాటిని. మరి టైం టేబుల్ మారిపోతుంది కదా కంప్లీట్గా. ఇప్పుడు దాంట్లో ఒకవేళ కావాలని ఒకసారి డిలీట్ చేసేసి ఒకసారి దీంట్లో మామూలుగా అది దానిలో డిలీట్ చేస్తే ఒకవేళ వస్తుందే వచ్చింది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయి. సరేనా? సరే నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, తర్వాత చేస్తాను. సరేనా? Okay, but in the problem itself they told very clearly that, but this is the positive or negative here. This is the positive or negative, but previous we are getting directly that numbers, we are saying very clearly that one.
First we find critical point and then substitute.
First we have to find the critical points, then we get the value of x, that one you can substitute in there now. Then you can verify that is a positive or negative. If it is a positive, we'll get minimum. Yes, very good. Yes, right now. So for critical points, so 1 minus 100 by x square equal to 0. That implies that is equal, otherwise you can write to 100 by x square equal to 1. That means x square equal to 100. The value of x equal to 10.
F double dash is 0.2.
It's okay. Just you can see only positive or negative. That's all. You get the positive or negative when you take x equal to 10 now. Then what you say that when at x equal to 10, comma. Okay, f double dash of 10 is clearly what you get now, positive. This is the positive value. That means clearly we got now it is 200 by 10 cube means 1000 means 0.2. It will be positive value. 0.2 in a 0.2. It is the clearly it is the positive value. This is the positive value means therefore f is the minimum at x equal to how much? X equal to 10. Then the two numbers are x and the second number equal to x and 100 by x, 100 by x now. So the first number is 10 and second number also clearly we got now 10 only. So 10 and the 100 by 10. So clearly we got now 10 and 10. So all of you should remember that one. See, if you take any problem, at last the two numbers we are getting the same numbers. That means if you got the same numbers, then it will be correct. Okay, so that way also you can remember easily that. Suppose we got some different numbers we got. Means we have to verify one more time that. Because sometimes we are getting, but I am not saying it is the completely all the times we are getting the same numbers. Maybe sometimes we will get different numbers based on the x value. Okay, don't think like it is the we are getting the same thing only. But up to now what we done, but all the questions we got the same numbers we got.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, can you give a question where both the numbers are not same?
okay, right now I'll give that. Find two positive numbers. Same. Find two positive numbers. Two positive numbers. Numbers x and y. X and y. X and y. Such that x plus y equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60, comma, and x into y cube is maxima. Is a maxima. Same previous models only, but they given some different way. That's all. There is some of the two numbers equal they give directly, but here they given some of the two numbers x plus y equal 60 they give, and they given like this. So same thing. Let the two positive numbers and what you are saying that for x and one more thing is 60 minus x. 60 minus x. Then here you can write clearly that for x plus y equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60. Then y equal to clearly can write now. Y equal to 60 minus x. By the data whose by data here, but no, don't take whose data here now. By data, x into y cube is maxima. X into y cube is maximum value. This is the value of y you can take. The value of y. Then you can find. So therefore, f of x equal to what you can tell me now? Is the x into then y equal to how much? 60 minus x whole cube. 60 minus x whole cube. Now differentiate with respect to x now. Okay. So EV formula you can apply here now. So x into the differentiation is one equal to clearly we got 3 into 60 minus x whole square into okay plus 60 minus x whole cube 60 minus x whole cube into 1. So clearly suppose if you want you can take common here 60 minus x whole square we are taking common. The remaining will be 3x minus of 60 minus x. 60 minus x now. So 60 minus x whole square into the 4x plus 60. 4x plus 60. This is the value of f dash of x. F dash of x here now. Now again differentiate with respect to x now. Again differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x now. So f double dash of x is equal to, again you can apply the EV formula here. So 60 minus x whole square into the differentiation of this value equal to clearly we got 4 only plus 4x plus 60 into this is clearly you can write now 2 into 60 minus x into minus 1 into minus 1. So now take common here. What is the common now? If you taken 60 minus x, if you taken common, the remaining values are, it is a 60 minus x into 4. Your plus into minus equal to minus 2 into 4x plus 60. 2 into 4x plus 60 now. Still you can simplify that. 60 minus x into, this is the 240 minus 4x minus 8x minus 120 minus 120. Okay. So therefore, f double dash of x is equal to 60 minus x into, or similar this value. So 120 minus 12x. 120 minus 12x. You can stop that. Now you can write now for critical points, critical points. So this entire thing is equal to 0. We are taking, that means 60 minus x whole square is equal to into, it is the 4x plus 60 equal to 0. So clearly you can write now 60 minus x whole square equal to 0, or if taken here now 4x plus 60 is equal to 0 now. So this is the clearly x equal to 61 value. X equal to 60 is the first value here, or then 4x equal to minus 60, the value of x equal to minus 60 by 4. And we got two numbers here now. But what is required in this problem itself, we required a maximum required now. We required maximum means, but x equal to which value then we are substituting in the given function. Okay, we'll get the positive or negative, you can verify this. Suppose you take an x equal to 60, this become that 0, but 0 into anything equal to 0 only. But we have condition is there. If f dash of c is equal to 0 and f double dash of c is equal to 0, then what do you call this one? I give 3 points to you in the second derivative test. Now please respond. F dash of c equal to 0 and f double dash of c equal to 0. The two values is 0. Then what you are saying? Once you go back once now. Once you can check it, the second derivative test. The last point I gave very clearly. The 2 will be 0 means then now I said an important point to you. The function is neither maximum nor minimum. Neither maximum nor minimum. That means if you take an x equal to 0 here, clearly the function is what I say in that one. Neither maximum nor minimum. So clearly these values we can't take. This one you can leave. So directly x equal to minus 60 by 4 you can substitute in there now. And verify this value. X equal to minus 60 by 4 you can substitute in there. And verify it. We got the positive or negative. Suppose if you take this value at x equal to minus 60 by 4, x equal to minus 60 by 4, f double dash of minus 60 by 4 is equal to, find it, the 60 minus minus of minus we got 60 plus only, plus 60 by 4 into the 120 minus into minus plus we are getting 12 into 60 by 4. So 4 in this number clearly we got now 3 times. But anyhow this is also positive, this is also positive only. Clearly we got positive. So to 240 plus 6 equal to 300 by 4 into this is clearly 180 plus 120, 300. So clearly we got now 9 means 9,000. 90,000 by 4. Clearly this is because we can say that one positive value. But this is the positive means then only we are getting the minimum. Okay. So what is the point we will take here now? We'll take the point here. What is the point we'll take? Okay. But all of you see now, but in the same thing only. But once you come into the problem itself, now the starting once you can see now. But what they're asking here? Please respond. Suppose we responding means then I understood that one we are getting or not. In a problem
Yes, sir.
starting, what is asking positive? Is correct? But again, but in this process, all of you listen to me first. Don't write. First listen to me. In this process, if you take an x equal to 60, the function is not defined. Clearly we got. But if you take an x equal to minus 60 by 4, but this is a negative value. But if you take this is x is a negative, means clearly the value of other thing also maybe we will get negative again. But what is required here now, the two numbers we have to get positive. That means here now the problem is the correct or not. You want to tell me that one. Whatever we done, it will be 100% correct. Whatever done the procedure, it will be 100% correct only. But at last here they are asking very clearly the two positive numbers they are asking, but we got here now. This is not possible. If you take an x equal to 60, the function is neither maximum nor minimum. But if taking that one x equal to minus 60 by 4, I think 100% is it's not possible. Okay, so that is the reason they gave that this is the more important question for that. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, I got 45 is one number and 15 is one number.
Yes, very good. Very good. It is the same function. Huh? You're taking the same thing? Bono?
Sir, I took instead
Y.
of x, I took y, sir.
Yes. Yes. That is correct. Okay. That means all of you just can identify that one it is. Because that's what you know. Suppose any, it will be correct. I am saying the what 100% correct only. But that's why they mentioned the problem itself very clearly that one, the two numbers must be positive. The two numbers are positive. Suppose they're asking here now, find the two numbers. But instead of they are not asking here the positive numbers. They're asking only find the two numbers they're asking. Yes, you can take it. Understood now? That means in this problem, what happened now? Suppose if we are taking the value of y here, we got now that the number will be negative. Yes, now we can take here. Instead of taking that one, then value of y, find the value of x you can find. Find the value of x you can find and verify it. Then what will happen? You can see now. Same thing only. That means here what you get is the y cube. This is the y cube. Only we got now 60 minus y. Is correct? 60 minus y. Now you can do now. Now I can do that. Y cube into the differentiation this one equal to clearly we got minus 1 plus 60 minus y into this is the 3y square. 3y square. Now I can simplify this value. This is the minus y cube plus the 180 y square minus 3y cube. This one you can write now minus 4y cube plus 180 y square. 180 y square. Now you can differentiate again. You can differentiate with respect to here. Don't take x now. You can take y here. You can take here now y. So f double dash of x is equal to minus 4 is the constant value. So this is the clearly minus 12 y square plus 360 into y. Okay. Now find the critical points here now. So for critical points, so it is the minus 4y cube plus 180 y square is equal to 0. So this one you can write this side now. So 180 y square equal to this is the 4y cube. So y square and cube will be cancelled. So that the value of y equal to so therefore the value of y equal to 180 by 4. 4 is number 4 4 are 16 and 5. So the value of y equal to how much? 45. Now y equal to 45 can substituting in the f double dash of x here now. So therefore, at y equal to 45, comma, f double dash of 45 is equal to minus 12 into, down I can write now. So minus 12 into y square, that means 45 whole square plus 360 into 45. 360 into 45. So this is the positive or negative, you can verify that. If it is the positive, clearly we got now. Okay. Okay, compulsory we have to get negative, we have to get. Is the negative or minus it is? Minus. So minus 12 into minus 12 into 45 whole square equal to how much? 45 whole square equal to, take here, 45 whole square, 25 to the 20, 40, 42, 4 and 20 means 2025 plus here 36 into 45. Clearly you can write this value now. It is the 3 for 120, 135, 0 and 240 and 30, 0. It is a 7, 9, 12, 1, 6, 1. The 1620, 0 it is. I think clearly this is we got no negative value. Clearly we'll get negative value. But this is the negative means then what is saying that one? We got the clearly the maximum value we are getting. Getting clearly the maximum value. So therefore at y equal to 45 comma f double dash of 45 is equal to negative. So therefore f is maximum at x equal y equal to 25. y equal to 45. There are two positive numbers, sir. One number is 45 and second number is 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 equal to 15. So the two numbers are two different numbers only. I think previous Chirag asked the same question. Is correct? Chirag? Two different numbers we got in this
Yes, sir.
column it is.
Yes, sir.
That means here, just all of you be careful this kind of questions. They're asking your positive only. That means we have to find the easy way. That means instead of taking that, suppose you're taking the x value, what happened now? 60 minus x whole cube we are getting. Instead of differentiating in that 60 minus x whole cube, the y cube is the easy. Y cube is easy. Then clearly we got the two positive numbers we are getting. 45 and 15. దానికి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదా ఓకే 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 అవునండి కదా ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్లో రేజ్ చేశారు సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ సేమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చూపిస్తా ఉంది సార్ అండి సేమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చూపిస్తా ఉంది ఎండ్రాయిడ్ మూవీ యాప్ సపోజ్ మ్యాథ్స్ అట్లా ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ మ్యాథ్స్ సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ మ్యాథ్స్ అట్లా ఓకే 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 అవునవును అవునవునవును ఓకే
రిఫ్లెక్ట్ ముందు ఈ బడిని లేకుండా వచ్చేసి కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఓ ఓకే 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 ఫస్ట్ కొట్టిలే సార్ చెప్పుదాం కదా వచ్చేసి సరే సరే ఓకే ఓకే సరే 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 ఓకే సార్ నాకు క్లాస్ అవ్వాలా ఇంకా సరే
Okay, right, next one right now. Completed. Same. Right, next one right now. The positive numbers x and y, same. The two positive numbers x and y, such that their sum is 35. Their sum is 35, comma, and their product x square into y power 5. Y power 5 is maxima. Same model, same kind of question. Once you will try, I will give the time to you. Please respond. You will try?
Yes, sir.
Try it. All of you, try yourself. Same procedure. Here also you can do the same thing only. Okay. The value of x you can find. Because it's easy it is. Because the x in terms of y means we will get a small thing. Means y minus 35. Y minus 35 whole square into y power 5. Then you can follow the same procedure that. All of you try yourself, but don't see the board. Or else it is directly can write. But actually, just I'm expanding that one, but no need to expand also. One you can do directly, you can solve, no problem that one. So expanding that. The here only we got this one like this. Take common directly. It's become that more easy. But no need to expand also here now. Just you can take common, you can find it. Just simply just I am taking that, sir. Sake of me, just I am doing like this. It's not for you. Okay, this is the easy way. Directly you are taking this one means I think clearly no need to see this one. The value of y equal 35. This one will take you to get the maximum value. Maximum minimum. Maximum we are getting. Y equal 35. Here we got now y equal 35, but here suppose we have to get the minimum means the second derivative is the positive we have to get, or like we get negative. This value. We required the maximum value required. So clearly, compulsory f double dash of x must be negative. We have to get.
Negative, sir.
Verify it. Then x y equal 35 and y equal 25. Then clearly y equal 35 it's not possible, but y equal 25 will get negative. If taken y equal 35, it will get positive value. Now y equal 25 will take means it will get negative value here. You want still you can simplify this function and verify it. Then you can find the maximum value. X y equal 25 you can substitute in there. Where it is here. Then you get the answer. But 10 square means 100 into 25 whole power 5. Actually, we required the numbers only required only. Na? So one number is 45. One number is 45. The second number is the 10. That's all. The past number is required. One number is 25. Second number is the 10. That required two numbers there. One just in this box, I will do that. Okay, still can verify that. The simple way we have to say means this is the if taken y equal 35, that is the main reason. Already we got now y equal 35, we got first one. So we've taken y equal 35, what happened now? 35 minus 35 equal to 0, but 0 and anything equal to 0. So that is clearly it's not possible. So only one possibility we have. Clearly we have to take here now y equal 25 only we have to take. But when we will take the y equal 25 in this function, it will be we got negative. It is a negative, then only we will get positive. But anyhow, in the problem itself, they're asking the maximum value. That's why I'm taking here now. Okay. So this model you can see clearly that. And actually 3 more questions are left. The 3 questions are more important. So next class we will do the 3 questions. Then we will start integrations. The 3 questions are more important. Anyone got the answer before I solve in that? Hmm? Before I done that, if anyone got the answer, I think definitely will take time. Calculation
Very big
purpose.
problem, sir.
Very big one. Yes, yes. In this book also they are not given any answers. They give only a simple problem is given. That's all. Same model. Next year's question it is.
NCRT question, sir.
NCRT. That's why all the models I give, each model I give 2 questions I give, not one. And 3 more applications are based on the like mensuration. The 3 questions also more important to you. Now you got the idea. It is a second derivative test.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more time. Just you can try. Don't leave today when it is the same questions. You can try one more time that. Once revise that. And not it is the one more time. But once you can revise, then you'll remember easily. Understood now? The models, they given some other 2 numbers equal to some value and the product equal to, we have to show that maximum or minimum, or some of the squares is maximum or minimum, some of the cubes maximum or minimum, and if they given some this kind of questions. Okay, so once you go through that, then remember easily. And if it's possible, suppose you have any some different books you have means, once you can try it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So end the session now today. Okay.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
sir.
Thank you, sir.